New Mexico Real Estate Commission, New Mexico Real Estate License Law, and Real Estate Commission Rules. Page 34. 61-29-12. Refusal, suspension, or revocation of license for causes enumerated. A. The Commission may refuse to issue a license or may suspend, revoke, limit, or condition a license if the applicant or licensee has, by false or fraudulent representations, obtained a license, or in performing or attempting to perform any of the actions specified in Chapter 61, Article 29, NMSA 1978, an applicant or licensee has 1. Made a substantial misrepresentation. 2. Pursued a continued and flagrant course of misrepresentation, made false promises through agents, salespersons, advertising, or otherwise, or used any trade, name, or insignia of membership in any real estate organization of which the licensee is not a member. 3. Paid or received a rebate, profit, compensation, or commission to or from any unlicensed person except the licensee's principal or other party to the transaction, and then only with the principal's written consent. 4. Represented or attempted to represent a qualifying broker other than a qualifying broker with whom the licensee is associated without the express knowledge and consent of that qualifying broker. 5. Failed within a reasonable time to account for or to remit any money coming into the licensee's possession that belongs to others, commingled funds of others with the licensee's own, or failed to keep funds of others in an escrow or trustee account, or failed to furnish legible copies of all listing and sales contracts to all parties executing them. 6. Been convicted in any court of competent jurisdiction of a felony or any offense involving moral turpitude. 7. Employed or compensated directly or indirectly a person for performing any of the acts regulated by Chapter 61, Article 29, NMSA 1978, who is not a licensed qualifying broker, may pay a commission to a qualifying broker of another state as provided in Section 61-29-16.1 NMSA 1978. 8. Failed if a qualifying broker to place as soon after receipt as is practicably possible, after securing signatures of all parties to the transaction, any deposit money or other money received by the qualifying broker in a real estate transaction in a custodial trust or escrow account maintained by the qualifying broker in a bank or savings and loan institution or title company authorized to do business in this state, in which the funds shall be kept until the transaction is consummated or otherwise terminated, at which time a full accounting of the funds shall be made by the qualifying broker. Records relative to the deposit, maintenance, and withdrawal of